Hi, I'm Randy Reid, editor of the Edison Report. We're here at LEDucation 2025, and this is our C-Suite series. Today I'm joined by Bob Sinai of Deco Lighting. Bob, welcome.
Nice to see you again, Randy.
Very nice to see you. First question, how's the show going for you?
The show was incredible. A lot of traffic, a lot of new faces. I got to meet a lot of architects, lighting designers, suppliers, reps that we have signed up and we never see face to face. So I believe it was a beautiful turnout, and I definitely recommend to do the same thing also in the West Coast. I hope they consider that.
Who is your rep here in New York?
Is Metro, the only one, the best, the Bert Grant. So he's the one put it all together.
Well,
actually, yes.
We know Bert for decades.
Yes,
and what a great guy he is. Deco has been through some transition. Deco has been through some problems. Tell our audience a little bit about how you have come out of that transition and where you are now.
Well, great questions. Yes, we had some troubles in the past. We went through the new ownerships, new partnerships. We have learned a lot from our past. I'm very thankful to my new partners, William, Wang, and River. We are partnered up with a publicly traded manufacturing in China. They got 2 factories in China. We have a new factory that they built in Vietnam. We're going back to our roots, start making lighting fixtures locally to meet the BABA.
In the LA area?
Yes, we were back in City of Commerce. We took our we're going to stay in building. We actually expand to another building right around the corners. And what's new is we have come up with a completely new products. We got a new optic changes on our outdoor lighting, which everybody has with the CCT and the color change, a water change. Now we have an optic change. We are introducing at this show a new, very high-end recessed lighting. We're going after the high residentials, basically hotels and hospitality, which is going to be a more high-end recessed light from 0-inch, 1-inch, 2-inch, and 3-inch. And we have a great team that we put together. We are basically back to our roots. We basically try to help our distributor and reps.
Your roots were good. Back in the day, your roots were good and strong.
Yes.
Okay, so some buy America, but some things are coming in from China. We're having tariffs. What is your philosophy on these tariffs and price increases?
Yes.
Will you guys be announcing a price increase?
We will not. Deco will not, because we already had infrastructure in Vietnam. So in Cambodia, our partnership we have a huge facility, and we can guarantee that Deco will not have any price increase coming from China, because most of our products coming out of Vietnam. And also we are manufacturing some in, obviously because of the Trump administrations, we're going to start putting it together here in the US. But the tariff is not going to bother Deco Lighting in the future.
Okay. Well, congratulations. That's a bold statement to say you guarantee no price. You guys for this year?
Yes.
For calendar year 25?
Yes. Yeah. As of today, there is no tariff, obviously, for product coming from Cambodia or Vietnam or Taiwan. But our facility in Vietnam for white goods, obviously. Most of our architectural is built in our facility in the City of Commerce. But the most commodity items is going to come out of our Vietnam facility.
So in the last couple of years, you have rebuilt your rep network.
Yes.
About how many reps do you have now?
We have the most strategic state. We do have the reps. Some of the reps that were already loyal to us, they kept us. And then we have
so you have some of the original reps?
Yeah. Some of the original reps that they believed on us, then they supported us, and I should say thank you to them. Sticking with the Deco, and then we have a lot of new reps all the way to Canada, and most of the states that there's business growth, we have reps that that we are already signed. And during this show, actually, we managed to sign some more. So that's what this show is all about, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
I assume California is your strongest market. Is that fair to say?
Yes, California, Massachusetts, Texas, Florida. Those are great for us. Great business for us. Yes.
Okay. Well, Bob, I'm a big believer in redemption. And I'm happy for you that you have been able to keep this thing going. There have been some very adverse things. There are some people that have been unhappy over the years.
Yes.
Some people that didn't get paid over the years. And the fact that you were able to keep the business going is admirable.
Yes, we kept our problem. We kept the warranty, and there has been some actually payments to that was made to basically the reorganization. So we're pleased that they come and say hi, and they know that we're back in business, and we're here to stay. And I want to say thank you to you for many years of support and being a great role model for us.
We are here to help the industry.
Thank you so
All right,
much.
Bob. Thank you
Appreciate
so
it.
much.
You're welcome.